Kai, can you give me another formula for variance y?
Doctor, I only remember the formula.
No. You remember another formula, but you just have to squeeze a bit. Ingat balik. Ada lagi satu formula tak yang kamu belajar dulu untuk variance y? Siapa ingat?
Y minus Y bar.
Siapa ni?
Putra.
Putra, bagus. Tapi bukan y bar. Tukar sikit. Expected value of
Mu.
y, bukan y bar, mean of y, which is mu y.
Yo Y.
Kuasa 2 ataupun boleh tulis sebagai expected value of y lah. Sebab kalau kamu semua ingat, variance adalah apa? Distance between y dengan mean of
Mean.
y squared. Betul? The mean of that. Semua ingat 3 formula ni? Ambil 2 formula ni? Okay. So, variance of y is actually expected value of y kuasa 2 tolak expected value of y the whole thing kuasa 2 ataupun juga boleh ditulis sebagai formula ni. Saya nak kamu ingat dua formula. Okay, expected value of y minus mu y square. In fact, kalau kamu kembangkan ni, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Ingat tak dulu MTH 3401 ada buat ni, betul? Tak ingat? Tak ingat ya, tak apa. Cuba ingat sekarang. You need to, as a statistician, you need to know both this formula. Okay? But of course, this first formula is the easiest one to remember. Okay, so when you solve, you can use this formula. But I want you to know this formula also. So now, cuba guess. Kalau saya nak variance y given x, apa formula dia? Cuba guess saja. Siapa nak guess? What do you think? Kalau ini formula untuk variance y, apa kamu rasa formula untuk variance y given x? Expected value of
Y given X square.
y square given Sorry, siapa punya mikrofon tu ada interference sikit. Tolak expected value of
Y given X.
y given x. Yes. The whole thing square. So kamu boleh nampak tak? When you know basic, everything else becomes easy. Sebab ini basic. So to get variance y given x, kamu just tukar ni tambah given x. Ini pun kamu tambah given x. Okay? Or if you are using this formula, kalau kamu guna formula kedua, ini akan jadi expected value of y minus mu y square given x. Sebab tu saya nak kamu tahu formula ni pun. Okay? Okay, saya pergi ke nota ya. Semua faham ya?
Faham.
Don't worry so much ya. Saya buat kelas lagi setengah jam je. Sebab it's too long for you all to do this. So you just focus for 1.5 hours, then we are done. Okay, so now I show you the notes. So let x and y be random variables. Dah keluar ke dekat skrin kamu? Dah.
Keluar dah.
Kalau komputer laju cepat, kalau komputer perlahan lambat. Okay, so let x and y be random variable defined on your this triplet, your sample space, sigma algebra and your probability measure. The conditional variance of y given x is given by this formula. So saya bagi dua formula. So saya nak kamu ingat formula yang kamu suka lah. So most probably the second one you suka. Tapi the first formula is also correct. Expected value of y minus mean of y given x kuasa 2 given x. Okay. Tadi saya lupa letak yang given x ni. Okay. But you stick to this formula because this formula is easier to remember. The second formula. Okay. Saya tak penalize formula apa kamu kena guna. Okay. So kamu nampak tak? From the formula asal, tempat-tempat yang ada EY, kamu just tambah given X. Okay, and this one also sini ada Y, so kamu kena tambah another given X. Tapi formula first ni mungkin susah sikit kamu nak faham. So kamu stick to the second formula which is easier for you to understand. So if x and y here are discrete random variables, then variance y given x equals to small x will just be this formula. Okay, and to get this, you just use the normal formula of condition expectation of y square given x. Kalau discrete, summation y square darab p y given x. This is, I use p because this is discrete. Okay, tolak, this is expected value of y given x. So summation juga y times p y given x, tapi the whole thing square. Kalau nak cari lah nanti. So don't worry so much. Kalau continuous, same, this part sama, tapi kamu kena tukar summation jadi integration, and of course you have with respect to y, because I already told you, the with respect to you always follow yang ke atas, bawah ni kamu consider given tu constant. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Nanti saya buat contoh. Okay, let's answer this question, then we'll stop after this. Kamu buat. Tengok soalan, you do yourself. So first thing, saya nak kamu cari expected value of y given x and cari expected value of y square given x. And remember ini discrete, ini bukan continuous. So expected value of y given x dulu, kamu boleh buat. So kamu kena cari p y given x. Okay, first you have to find p y given x. So you have to find px first. Okay. Cuba je, nanti saya bagi jawapan. Cuba try dulu. I think the answer, kejap I think the answer here I gave for a different question. Okay. Guys, can you all change the pxy? No, it's not this one. Sorry. Okay, wait. I put it for you the question. Sorry, I changed the question. Kejap. Your pxy of xy is this one. Your pxy. Sorry, I changed the question. Tapi saya tak ubah jawapan. Pxy, ini kamu dah buat dulu. Buat ni dulu, ini lagi senang. Is x plus y over 21. Ini contoh yang kamu pernah buat dulu. So X is 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. And Y is 1 to 2. So ini lagi senang sebab kamu dah buat ni contoh ni. You try this question and find variance Y given X equals to 3. So first you need to find P
X.
Y given X. And to find this, you need to find Px. Px dah ada dalam nota kamu sebelum ni So kamu boleh ambil je. So macam nak cari Px? Summation Pxy, which is X plus Y over 21. You have to sum up at all values of apa? Y. Y from 1 to 3. So what's the answer? Kita dah buat ni dulu
Y from 1 to
Y is from 1 to 3.
2.
Sorry. Y is from 1 to 2. 2. Okay, sorry. Okay. So what's the answer?
X plus Y over 2X plus 3. Hey, wait.
No, Y is from
PX is 2X plus 3 over 21.
Okay, great. 2x plus, ini kita dah buat dulu, ada dalam nota 2x plus 3 over 21. So what is Py given X?
X plus
Ini
Y.
bagi ni.
Oh.
X plus Y over
Plus y over 2x.
2X plus 0
divided by 2x plus 3. Okay, so kamu dah dapat ni. So this is Py given X. I tak tahu kamu saya guna F ke P untuk kelas kamu? Untuk discrete? So it doesn't matter kamu faham lah discrete dengan tu. So ini Py given X, which is X plus Y over 2x plus 3. So now you can find expected value of Y given X and expected value of Y square given X. So find these two values. So yang paling penting kamu tahu basic. Okay. Iris. Cuba buat kalau tidak kamu boring dengan kelas online. So masa MCO ni jangan bawa masa lah study book, read books, become smarter, do some things, learn new things. Saya lupa nak suruh kamu record kelas next time lah. So first expected value. Okay, siapa dah siap boleh bagi jawapan. What is expected value of Y given X? So formula senang. Summation. So sebab kita ada Y given X, kita perlu P Y given X. And then on top is Y, so kita letak Y. And then this should be summation at all values of Y, bukan X. Kita tengok yang atas. So Y is from 1 to 2. Okay. And expected value of y square given x is the same thing, gantikan y dengan y square sahaja. So sangat senang. Itu ayam berkokok ke? Kat kampung ah. Okay. Siapa dah siap? Cuba tengok jawapan ni. Summation 1 times
Doctor, what's the answer?
14 over 9. X is equals to 3, x is equals to 3. So you can substitute value of x equals to 3 here. For e, y given x, so x is 3. Y, you just substitute the value. Can you all get? So the first one will be y is 1. So 1 times x is 3, right? 3 plus 1 over 2 times x is 3 plus 3. So this is the first expression. Alamak, susah lah pakai ni. Okay, and the second one is when y is 2, so it will be 2 times x is still 3, 2 times 3 plus 2 over same 2x is 3 plus 3. Logan, what's the answer?
I
14
got
over 9 kan doktor? 14 over 9 right?
Yeah, so answer is 14 over 9. This is 4 over 9. This is 10 over 9. Answer is 14 over 9. Are you okay, Logan?
okay, doctor. 2 times 2, 4.
Okay, Okay, so now find expected value of y square over x given x equals to 3.
8 over 3.
8 over 3. How about others?
8 over 3.
Okay, so now you all got the answer. So expected value of this one, your answer is 8 over 3. So now you can find variance y given x equals to 3. Just take this value minus this value square. So what's the answer?
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes?
Okay, for in the first half is like y square times p y given x, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
it's y square.
So you just change this to y square.
So I got 4/9 plus 20/9. Not 10.
Yeah, 24/9. So 24/9 you kecilkan, you get 8/3. You get 24/9, right, Logan?
Yes.
So you kecilkan, you kecilkan. You get 8/3.
Okay, 8.
Betul?
Okay. Yes.
So that's the answer for this lah. Well, correct lah. Your answer is correct.
Okay.
Just they all simplify. You gave answer in this. Sama je. Okay, so when you get the answer, now you can find the conditional variance. Okay, so I'll erase this.
20/81.
20/81. That's the answer. So it's very simple, and this is all the things I will ask in your test too. Only thing that most students make is just careless mistakes actually. Concept is actually very simple. Okay, so the variance y given x equals to 3 will just be 24/9 or 8/3. It doesn't matter. Kalau kecil kan dapat 8/3 minus 14/9 squared. So answer will be 20/81. Okay. So the answer is in the notes already. Let me just stop sharing this. Just the questions I need to change in the notes. Okay. But in your notes, if you notice, I use a different way to solve this problem. I use the second formula. Okay. But it doesn't matter. You use whatever formula you feel comfortable. Okay. So it doesn't matter. The important thing is you find expected value of y given x and expected value of y square given x, and then find variance y given x. Any questions? All clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I just do a very simple proof? Oh, no, sorry. We do continuous. Can we just finish up continuous, an example using continuous?
Okay.
The problem is, let me see if I change the question. Yeah, I did. Okay. So this one I got the answer typed. So we'll just do it together. Okay, let the joint PDF of x and y be 10x square times y. So here be careful, y is less than x. Okay, both between 0 and 1, but y is less than x. And the question has given you fx, which makes your life very easy, is 5x to the power of 4. And x is from 0 to 1. Find variance y given x equals to x. Because they didn't give the value for x, the answer will be in terms of x, just like your conditional expectation. So the first step, because you want variance y given x, you need to find conditional density of y given x. So fy given x is fxy divided by fx. Okay. So we use this formula. So first step to find fy given x, which is fxy divided by fx, which is 10x square y divided by 5x to the power of 4. So this one answers very simple, 2y over x square. By right, you must give the range for both, which I didn't here. So after this, you can straight away find expected value of y given x and expected value of y square given x using the same formula. So expected value of y given x is integration. Because this is y given x, you need fy given x. On top, there's only y, so you just put y here. Okay. And then just substitute the value. Be very careful. Your y is less than x. So value of y must be from 0 to x. Y multiplied by the conditional density, answer will be 2/3x. Now you need to find expected value of y square given x. Same way, change the y here to y square. Okay, the rest are all the same. Answer is half x square. So now variance y given x is actually this minus this, which is 1 over 2x square minus 2 over third x, the whole thing squared. Answer is x square over 18. Can you see when you don't specify the value for x, the answer for the conditional variance is also a function of x. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Boleh ya? Boleh ya? So this is nothing easy. Walaupun kamu belajar variance y given x, kamu masih guna conditional expectation in the formula. Okay? So the key is not to panic when you see something new. Just solve it one by one. Okay? So shall we stop or y'all can take some more?
Doctor,
Huh?
Doctor, can I ask why is the range of x is 0 to 1 but not y to 1?
Where? This one? Where? Oh, because this one is the density for x only, not conditional density. This is fx. That means dia dah tak ada y. Kita dah buang y. This is fx. Jadi range dia cuma x sahaja. Tapi kalau conditional density, kamu kena bagi dua-dua. Ataupun join, kamu kena bagi dua-dua. Tapi ini hanya conditional density for x saja. Remember, conditional density for x maksudnya kita dah buang y. So range kita kena bagi 0 hingga 1 saja. Clear?
Okay, clear.
Same thing, if I ask you to find fy, then you bagi y is 0 to 1. Jangan bagi ini, salah. Ini kamu cuma bagi untuk join PDF dengan conditional PDF saja macam ni. Okay? Any other questions? Semua okay?
Okay, doctor.
Shall we stop? Or you all want to continue another? I think enough lah. I want you all to really understand and just take it easy. Unless kamu berkobar-kobar nak belajar, saya boleh continue. Macam mana, Logan? Sirosha, stop or go on?
I'm not sure, Doctor. I'm okay with it.
The rest, shall we, because actually I'm worried about these online classes ya, to tell you honestly. Saya takut kamu macam tak faham sangat ke, or kamu find it too boring ke. So I'm trying to keep it very simple. Sebab tu saya tak nak buat banyak sangat. Mungkin boring sikit kan? Boring tak? I mean it is boring tak? Saya boring tak tengok kamu semua Saya suka tengok kamu semua. Rasa kamu pun suka tengok saya kot. Tapi saya, kamu pasti saya boleh tengok kan? Saya tunjuk muka saya sikit, boleh tengok saya. Okay. Okay, Tiong, shall we stop or go on?
Stop.
Stop.
Stop, Doctor.
Okay, kita stop. Okay, kalau tak ada masalah, have a good day. So, kita continue Rabu depan. Rabu depan kita buat kelas pukul, okay sekejap saya nak discuss masa, ada masalah sikit tadi. Rabu depan kita buat kelas 10 hingga 11, semua setuju?
Okay.
Boleh.
Kalau tak setuju, beritahu saya sekarang semua setuju Rabu buat macam biasa 10 hingga 11. Jumaat kita buat macam ni, 11 hingga 12.30, semua setuju ke?
Setuju.
Kasturi, all Malay boys okay ke? Kamu tak ada semayang Jumaat kan sekarang?
Doktor.
Tak ada. Tak ada semayang Zohor.
Tak ada.
Okay tak, so okay lah waktu
Doktor.
Ya.
Nanti around week 11 or week 12 saya ada exam pukul 12 on Friday.
Okay, so nanti you beritahu saya, kita ubah masa, boleh?
Boleh?
Doktor,
Okay, so for,
kita Kasturi.
sorry saya tak dengar siapa tu tadi? Siapa tadi? Saya tak dengar.
Nazamuddin nak cakap.
Nazam,
Tak ada apa.
tak ada apa-apa
Tak ada apa.
Okay, so kita discuss benda ni on week to week basis lah. So next week, Rabu saya jumpa kamu 10 hingga 11, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay.
Boleh.
Pergilah tidur balik tidur balik ke, makan balik ke, enjoy.